Have we ever pondered on how nature has its own ingenious ways of protecting us? One such natural wonder is the wetland, a remarkable ecosystem that plays a crucial role in flood risk management. Wetlands, often misunderstood and overlooked, are nature's very own sponges. So, how do they work their magic? Well, during periods of heavy rainfall or rapid snowmelt, wetlands quite literally step in to save the day. They absorb and store excess water much like a sponge, soaking up a spill. This process is known as water storage capacity, a vital factor in mitigating the effects of flooding. Hello there, this is Climate Friendly TV. Welcome back. The unique vegetation and soil composition of wetlands allow them to perform this incredible feat. The dense thickets of grasses, reeds, and other plants slow down the flow of water, allowing it to seep gradually into the ground. This reduces the immediate impact of heavy rainfall, spreading the water over a larger area and over a longer period of time. The soil in wetlands, rich in organic material, acts almost like a sponge. It has a high capacity to absorb water, holding it within its porous structure. This water is then slowly released back into the environment, reducing the risk of both flash floods and droughts. It is not just about water absorption though. Wetlands also act as a buffer zone, taking the brunt of the flood's force and protecting the surrounding areas. This combination of water absorption, slow release, and physical protection makes wetlands a natural flood control system. To sum it up, wetlands are the unsung heroes in flood risk management. The ability to absorb and store excess water during periods of heavy rainfall or rapid snowmelt reduces the immediate impact of these events. The slow release of this stored water back into the environment helps to maintain water levels during dry period, further reducing flood risk. Last but not least, their role as a physical barrier buffers surrounding areas from the destructive forces of floods. So, the next time you pass by a wetland, appreciate it for what it is, a natural wonder working tirelessly to keep us safe from the damaging impacts of floods.